Welcome to our informative video on generator maintenance plans. Today, we'll guide you through the essential services that ensure your generator remains reliable and efficient, ready to provide power whenever needed. Let's start with generator exercise and visual inspection. Generator exercise is the process of running your generator under no load or partial load conditions to keep it operational. This helps to circulate fluids, lubricate moving parts, and prevents moisture and contaminants from building up. It is recommended to have personnel monitor this process for leaks, unusual noises, or other visible issues that could indicate a problem. The exercise should be performed weekly or monthly, typically for 20 to 30 minutes. Regular exercise prevents battery discharge and ensures the generator can handle a load in case of an emergency. A minor PM or PM1 involves a thorough check of the generator's essential components. During this service, we inspect fluid levels, belts, hoses, and connections, verify there are no leaks or corrosion, and ensure the battery is in good condition. Depending on the generator's usage and environment, minor PMs should be conducted anywhere from monthly to annually. Performing these checks helps identify and address small issues early, which prevents them from escalating into major costly repairs. A major PM or PM2 includes everything covered in a minor PM, plus changing the oil filters, fuel filters, coolant filters, and fully replacing the oil. Typically conducted annually or based on hours of operation, major PM ensures that critical components are in working condition and reduces the risk of generator failure during an outage. Preventative Maintenance Level 3, or PM3, is a detailed service that addresses wear and tear that might not be visible in routine checks. In a PM3, we replace belts, hoses, and air filters, change batteries, drain and replace coolant, and check spark plugs. This level of service is typically performed every 2 to 3 years or based on hours of operation. PM3 is critical for generators operating in demanding conditions and ensures long-term reliability. A building load test evaluates the generator's ability to handle the actual electrical load of the building. This is performed under real conditions, simulating an outage to ensure the generator can meet demand. It's recommended to conduct this test semi-annually, and especially after significant electrical changes to the building. Building load testing provides assurance that the generator will perform as needed during a power outage. A load bank test places an artificial load on your generator, gradually increasing the electrical load in specific increments until the generator reaches its full rated capacity in a controlled environment. This test verifies the generator's ability to handle maximum load and also helps burn off unburned fuel that can build up in diesel generators. This helps prevent wet stacking. Load bank testing is typically conducted annually for generators that don't often run under full load. A typical test lasts for 4 hours. Load bank testing ensures the generator's performance under peak conditions, which is essential for emergency readiness. The automatic transfer switch, or ATS, shifts the electrical load from the utility provider to the generator during a power outage. Maintaining the ATS involves inspecting and testing its operation, cleaning electrical contacts, and verifying the settings. ATS maintenance should be performed annually to ensure the system operates smoothly, avoiding delays when transferring power during an outage. A properly functioning ATS is crucial to the overall reliability of the backup power system. Fluid sampling is essential for keeping your generator running smoothly and avoiding costly breakdowns. Fluid sampling should be conducted at least annually or after every 250 to 500 hours of generator operation. Oil sampling reveals early signs of engine wear, so you can address issues before they escalate. Coolant sampling checks the chemical balance, pH levels, and contaminants. This helps prevent corrosion and overheating, keeping the cooling system working efficiently. Finally, diesel fuel sampling is key to preventing generator failure. Annual testing catches contamination, water, and microbial growth, ensuring your generator's fuel stays clean and reliable. In conclusion, a solid maintenance plan is critical to ensuring your generator remains reliable and ready for emergencies. Each of these services plays an important role in keeping your generator healthy. By creating a robust maintenance plan, you can extend your generator's lifespan, reduce the likelihood of unexpected failures, and provide uninterrupted power for your facility. Thank you for your attention today. For a more detailed scope or sample report on any of these services, please reach out to our sales team.